We horn teachers know how often pupils have problems with playing position because of the weight of the instrument. When playing position is improved, also other things are easier to learn in playing. In this video I'd like to show how to use the ERGO playing support when teaching young pupils. The simple fact is that the weight and the size of the horn are very big problems for young players. For that reason, it is much easier to play with a playing support when the support holds the instrument and the arms can be more relaxed. It is easy to connect the support rod to the horn with this simple quick lock. Now the pupil should learn how to turn and move the horn when it's on top of the support. That is important when finding a balanced playing position. Important is also to teach the pupil that he or she should never lean on the support. The support is only for the horn weight. When using the chair support, pay attention how to lift the horn down to resting position. Then the support rod hangs in front of the chair. And then when resuming the playing position, it can be lifted back on the chair. Other option is to use the additional monopod and rest the weight on the floor. In this position, perhaps it is easier to get the feet firmly on the ground. ERGO playing support helps Olivia in finding a balanced and relaxed playing position by releasing the shoulders and arms from the burden of holding the instrument. It is especially beneficial for children as it helps them to find a good balanced playing posture at a time when the instrument is still fairly big and heavy to hold in a good position. It is also an excellent aid when practicing and playing for longer periods of time. ERGO playing support helps in learning deep breathing by keeping the shoulders and arms more relaxed and the body more upright. However, when using it, you have to take into account certain details. You have to adjust the support to an optimal height so that you can bring the mouthpiece to your embouchure very easily and at the same time keeping the head in a good position. Now Olivia's support is slightly too low. I help to lift it a bit higher and then she can take a good playing position. And when taking the playing position, make sure to keep the head in a good alignment with the spine and the back straight. Also, it is important that you maintain a good posture when using the ERGO playing support and that you don't start to lean on it. When a balanced position is found with the support system, breathing is deeper and easier. Using ERGO playing support can help young players in finding a relaxed way of using the body when playing.
Well, Tommi, how would you see the future if most of the young horn players started using the ERGO support?
I find that it could help them to learn to play with a better playing posture and with free breathing as they grow up. And when they are adults, when they have enough strength to carry the horn, then they have the choice to play with the support system or without. But when in the growing process, it could really learn to prevent some major problems that could come with a playing posture.
Many teachers still have some doubts against this kind of very new and radical change in horn playing. Could you somehow encourage teachers to take this seriously?
Well, problems in playing posture and pains in the body repetitive strain injuries are real problems with professionals. So I really encourage teachers to try it out and kind of observe different things about playing posture. This is a good option for teachers and for pupils.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.